Welcome to this tutorial. We'll be taking a look at how to locate contract and contractor information on VendorPanel. To log into VendorPanel from the LGP homepage, you can hover over the Login and Sign Up button, and then select the second option for VendorPanel. This will direct you to VendorPanel's landing page, where to log in, you can enter your details here on the left. From the VendorPanel homepage, locate Use Local Government Procurement Lists. You will then see the full list of LGP panels along with two corresponding columns. The first column will display the list of total active suppliers underneath the panel, and the second column will provide the associated contract documents. This can include the quotation templates, specifications, the standing offer deed, and purchasing thresholds. Locating the document that you're after, selecting it, which will download it to your PC or Mac as a PDF file. Locating contractor-specific information can be done through selecting the icon in the first column and then selecting the contractor profile you're after. Once the profile has been selected, you will see all of the necessary contact information along with their qualifications, work health and safety schedules, demonstrated experience, and pricing schedules. You can also view their current compliances and insurances, along with their modern slavery risk rating, the categories they service within the contract, along with the various regions down the very bottom. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us via the details on the screen at operations@lgp.org.au or on 02 8270 8752.